On Saturday, January 16th, 2021, during a work-related phone conversation with a Supreme Master Television team member, Master also kindly gave a concerned message.
Master, do you have any message for the American government?
Yes, I have. I have a message to the government of the United States of America. Americans are dying by the thousands every day from the COVID-19 pandemic. You should be grateful for your life, your most privileged position, and your abundant wealth. Plus, you have all the protection from the huge army, National Guards, and police force. Most of the people in this world don't have any of those, like what you have. Use your chance to focus on helping your co-citizens at least. Not focus on your petty interests and vengeance, causing more sorrow and fear to the people that you should serve. Start anew by forgiveness and loving care. To win hearts is far, far better than to win an election. In God we trust.
Our gratitude, Supreme Master Ching Hai, for all your love and care for the American people. May Master's words of advice be wisely heeded in heaven's benevolent grace.